Have you ever dreamed of launching your own online store but felt overwhelmed by where to start or how to make it happen? You're not alone. The world of e-commerce is booming, and more people than ever are turning their passions and ideas into thriving online businesses. Whether you want to sell physical products like handmade crafts, digital goods such as ebooks or art, or even offer your own services, Shopify is a powerful platform that gives you all the tools you need to succeed. It's designed for beginners and pros alike, making it easy to turn your vision into a reality. In this step-by-step guide, I'll walk you through exactly how to launch a successful e-commerce business using Shopify. We'll cover everything from setting up your store to making your first sale so you can feel confident every step of the way. Let's get started. First, head over to Shopify.com. You'll see a big button that says Start Free Trial. Click on it to begin your journey. You'll be prompted to enter your email address, create a secure password, and choose a unique name for your store. This is your brand's new home online, so pick something memorable. Once you're in, it's time to add your very first product. Take clear, high-quality photos. These are the first thing your customers will see, so make them count. If you're selling digital goods, upload your files and make sure everything is organized. Next, fill in the product details. Give your product a clear, catchy title and write a detailed description that highlights its features and benefits. Set your price, and if you offer different sizes, colors, or other options, add those as variants. The more information you provide, the easier it is for customers to make a decision. Now let's make your store look amazing. Shopify offers a wide range of free and premium themes, so you can find one that fits your brand's personality. Browse through the options and preview how they'll look with your products. With Shopify's drag-and-drop editor, you can easily customize your storefront. Change colors, fonts, and layouts to match your brand style. Add your logo, banners, and any other visuals that help tell your story. Remember, a professional-looking store builds trust and encourages sales. Next, it's time to set up how you'll get paid. Shopify supports a variety of payment options, so you can choose what works best for you and your customers. You can enable Shopify payments for credit cards, add PayPal, or connect other payment gateways. This flexibility makes it easy for customers to check out no matter where they are in the world. Don't forget to configure your shipping settings. Set up shipping zones, rates, and delivery options based on where you'll ship your products. If you're selling digital goods or services, you can skip this step, but for physical products, clear shipping policies are essential. To make your store look even more professional, secure a custom domain name like yourbrand.com. This helps customers remember you and builds credibility. You can purchase a new domain directly through Shopify or connect one you already own. The setup is simple, and Shopify guides you through each step. With your store ready, it's time to let the world know you're open for business. Start by sharing your store on social media. Tell your friends, family, and followers about your launch. Shopify's built-in marketing tools make it easy to run Facebook and Google ads, set up email marketing campaigns, and connect your social media accounts. You can even create discount codes and special offers to attract your first customers. Don't be afraid to experiment and see what works best for your audience. Once orders start coming in, manage everything from your Shopify dashboard. Track your inventory, fulfill orders, and keep an eye on your sales, all in one place. Shopify's analytics tools help you monitor your performance so you always know what's working. Look for trends in your sales data, customer behavior, and marketing results. Use these insights to make smart, data-driven decisions that help you grow your business and improve your customers' experience. Remember, every successful store owner started with their first sale. Keep learning and adapting as you go. Launching a successful Shopify store is more achievable than ever before. With the right tools and a bit of determination, you can build something amazing from scratch. Start small, set clear goals, and stay consistent. The most important thing is to keep moving forward, learning from your experiences and celebrating every milestone along the way. Your e-commerce journey begins today. Take that first step, and who knows where your Shopify store could take you. The possibilities are endless, so get started and make your dream business a reality.